Today I'll be tasting and making cocktails with Portuguese sour cherry liqueur. Hi guys and girls, my name is Ice. All my love, passion and energy from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be tasting and making cocktails with this sour cherry ginger 9 liqueur. Couple weeks ago I got it as a present and I'm very excited to try. Because cherry is one of my favorite berry. I really love cherries in summer as they grow in summer in Lithuania, my native country. And I read that sour cherries are also very popular and common thing in Portugal. Even these two countries are separated by quite a distance, and not just a distance, and the climate is very different, but they share the same berry because sour cherry in Lithuania is quite common cherry as well. So I'm very excited to try the sour cherry liqueur because it was really a long time I haven't tried, tasted or used any cherry liqueur in my cocktails or my drinks. So I'm very excited to see what's inside. You see, it's very new, it's still sealed. I'm opening it. And just a short history brief on this product. What I read in their website, that it's very natural, it's made by hand, it's made with no artificial coloring and flavoring. Everything is natural. It's what I love, because if it had any of artificial things inside, so probably I wouldn't like to even taste it. Maybe just taste, just curiosity, but that's it. So I love the product because it's already quite natural, but I have to taste it as well. And for those who are curious as well, what does ginger 9 mean? I found out that ginger, it means sour cherry in Portuguese. And 9 is the number that the producers chose just because 9 is a symbol of peace and love. And it's also their logo with a heart, so it's made with love. It's how my cocktails are made. So we have something in common with this liqueur. Okay. Last stick, and I have it. It smells very nice, not so much intensive, doesn't hit your nose. Yes, it's very nice. And you know guys, I don't have any tasting cup here. I forgot to get it. But you know, bartender's tasting cup is always a jigger. So let's do it in this kind of tasting. Okay. Smells very nice. Cherry-ish. And how strong is that drink? It's 18 ABV. No, ABV, yeah. ABV. Very nice, mellow, sweet, no any spirit coming through. Of course, cherry-ish. Cherry feels very much like quite heavily. Very nice to drink, very light. Yeah, it's 18 ABV, so it's not strong, but it's still very light to drink. It feels that probably it's even lower ABV, but it's very nice. Oh, also warming my throat a bit now. Very nice. Okay, I won't taste it till the end like that, because there is one special way of drinking sour cherry liqueur. As I read, in Portugal it's quite popular to make this pairing. Look what beautiful cups did I get as a present as well, together with this liqueur. One didn't reach the destination, but I still have a lot of left. And these cups are made from Belgian chocolate. They are very nice, looks very cute, very nice. And that's a popular way to drink this liqueur, in these chocolate cups or just with a chocolate. So let's do it Portuguese way. I've never been in Portugal actually. That's a country I have never been. I would really love to visit it and to see and to experience the drinks, food, hospitality. Okay, we're back from this small incident. Actually, this handle melted in my hand and I wasn't fast enough to catch. Okay, second try, everything is cool. So I finished that. I would like to visit Portugal and to experience what it has, and one day I will do that. Okay, won't wait any longer. Let's try chocolate and liqueur. Very nice. I love chocolate. I love cherries. So for me it's very nice. Very good taste. It reminds me there used to be a chocolate with cherry filling inside. Not cherry liqueur filling. I just don't know what brand or what. Maybe somebody brought me as a present some time ago. But it really reminds me of that. So it's very nice. Good pairing, chocolate and ginger 9. Very good. Pair. Okay, we did tasting. It tastes very good. And if you love cherries, or if you want to try some new cocktails having cherry liqueur inside, I really recommend you to try ginger 9 because it's really a good product. It's really very good in taste, smell, aroma, and you will be happy with the result. I don't have doubts about that. But now I want to make some cocktails and try this liqueur in the cocktails and try how it opens in the cocktails, and then I will say my verdict, the final verdict in the end. So let's go to taste some cocktails. And the first cocktail, what I'm going to do with this ginger 9 liqueur, I'm going to make a twist on classic Manhattan. And if you want to see how to make a classic and a couple more versions of Manhattan, I already made a video about that and you can check the link right here. Now let's get back to our ginger 9 Manhattan. So we are going to serve everything in coupette, Martini style glass, and let's chill this glass at first. And let's stir our cocktail. You will need shaker, actually not a shaker, just one part of just something to stir the cocktail because we don't need to shake this cocktail. It's a stirred one. And the first ingredient what we will need is bourbon. You could use bourbon, you could use some other type of whiskey what you like to try your twist. I'm using 4 Roses bourbon and it's 1.5 ounce. And our second ingredient, our MVP today, is ginger 9. Ginger 9 we are going to use only 1/2 ounce. Okay, just to give a flavor, just to substitute vermouth, but don't overkill all our taste. And 2 dashes of Angostura aromatic bitter. Now we need of course a lot of ice and to give it a nice stir. And of course love, passion, energy and more love from ginger 9. Now we have to strain everything to our glass. Garnish the cocktail with cherry. I'm really wondering what does ginger 9 do with their cherries after using them, because they infuse alcohol with cherries for 12 months, so it's 1 year, it's very long. They say it's better to absorb all the taste and flavors, and I'm wondering what are they doing with cherries, because they could do cherries for the cocktails as well. That would be more sustainable because we will be using everything, and maybe it would be very nice, you know. Cherry is very common garnish. 1 cherry in the cocktail. First cocktail, let's try it. Never tried it before. Smells nice. Very good. Bourbon, whiskey and cherry, something. It's really a good combination. I loved it from a long time ago when I was making my own liqueur, and actually I was making my own bitter based on cherries some time ago. So I love cherries. This is a very good present for me. Thank you, Ginger 9. Let's go to the next cocktail. And the second cocktail today with our amazing G9 sour cherry liqueur is going to be what's called G9 Cadillac, and it's tequila based cocktail. And I'm making these cocktails, it's not my own, I'm taking them from their website, what they suggest, because I just want to try the cocktails that they suggest where this liqueur really shows itself and to feel if it really is like that. So my head was great. Now let's try tequila based cocktail that's called Cadillac. So it's kind of margarita twist, and if you want to know how to make the best margarita in the world, just check out this link. And now I'm showing for you even more best margaritas in the world. And now we are going to shake. We are going to put a lot of energy in this cocktail, a lot of power, love, energy and passion. Okay, let's start making our beautiful cocktail. And the first ingredient this time is 100% good agave tequila. And we are going to use only 1 ounce of it. Second ingredient is of course our MVP G9, and this time we are going to use a lot, 1.5 ounces. And now we need some sour, so I'm going to use this lime, and I'm going to use 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. And 1/2 ounce of agave syrup. Oh, here it is. Only 1/2 ounce. And now we need a lot of ice. And let's do it the magic way. And show our love, passion, and energy. Whew. More love because it comes from ginger. And let's drain everything in this nice double raw glass, but let's put some ice at first. And let's drain our beautiful cocktail into it. Let's garnish it with a lime wheel and cherry. Into the lime. And of course, if you want to drink with a straw, so I recommend Pasta Life or some other kind of environmentally friendly straws, just to save our planet or just to preserve it, just to make something even just a little what you can. Let's taste this kind of margarita. Very good, very nice cherry margarita. I love margarita. Margarita is one of my favorite cocktails. It used to be my favorite, but when caipirinha really kicked it out of the first place. And if you want to know how to make caipirinha, just check out this link. But margarita is my second favorite cocktail, and this cherry twist is really nice. Cheers guys, enjoy your drink, enjoy your life. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was informative, interesting, and you really enjoyed it. And I hope you also got some ideas how you can make new cocktails or how you can use some cherry flavored or especially ginger 9 liqueur, because it's really beautiful. My verdict now when trying on its own and when trying in a cocktail, I could see I like it very much. It's very good, it's really amazing cherry liqueur, and I'll definitely be using it in all my other cherry based or like cherry flavored or the cocktails that just require some cherry liqueur. And of course I will grade some of my own new cocktails with this beautiful liqueur inside it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I would ask you a small favor. I'm sharing with you all my love, passion, energy and experience, and I would ask you in return to give me your subscription. Just subscribe this channel, like it, share with your friends if you think your friends would like it, and I love you very much. Thank you, and I'll see you in next videos.